Here we have light snow. I do have snow tires installed on this rig, but I'm going to show you around this corner, dead stop, and I am a trained drifter, if you will. It kills throttle, and it also pulls you in straight with the brakes. I'm going to make another turn here, and I'm going to show you, and then we'll play around with turning. Okay, here's ABS, full brakes. So you can get an idea of how slick it is. You were able to hear, there was a person with their dog on the sidewalk, so I didn't turn right there. I was going to turn right on a somewhat aggressive turn, but we'll do like this right here, braking, and now try not to get into that curb. See, it didn't even let me get sideways that time, where, I mean, not even at all, where I turned and hammered it. I probably could have accelerated with a little bit of speed into it and hammered it. Anyway, all you're doing is trying to fool it. It's really smart. And it's all-wheel drive, so it's gripping. So ABS right there. So now we're gonna go around this corner here. Look at that, full throttle, all the way full throttle. Oh. And you hear the turbo? The turbo's trying to do work. Full throttle right here. All right, full brakes. You want some more winter driving? You want to experience different conditions? You want me to turn traction control off, right? And then see what kind of acceleration, what kind of braking performance we have. As soon as I grabbed that road, got plenty of it. And traction control is off right now, mind you. So now we're gonna do a traction control off corner right here. And there is a fire hydrant right there. Oh, we got a little bit of drift action with the traction control off. We get a lot more wheel spin. We get some delayed reaction, but it's still lurking in the background. Now we're gonna hit one right here. Check this one out with a little bit of speed. But it still pulls you straight. It still pulls you in. Full throttle, traction control off. Full brakes. And full throttle. Man, you didn't get that action. That was a little sketchy. Traction control off, dead stop right now, and full throttle. And I kind of have to oscillate the throttle a little bit to stop it from cutting all the power. It's kind of like whenever I'm working my tire machine and there's an air regulator in it, and it likes to stop pushing air in the tire every 6 seconds or something. Any mechanic would probably relate to that, but when you're going around the corner, if you want it to get a little wild, if you want it to drive like you know, a fluid type of corner, you kind of have to pull out and then push back in. Now there's a little bit divots in there and I don't want to really get stuck, but I might show you one more time. Full throttle. Let out, get wind in, and then pull it back straight.